Hi everyone, Dustin here from the Gravity team. Today I want to talk about a small but mighty feature that Gravity SMTP incorporates and one that I know is a must-have for many of you out there, and that's having both a primary and backup email connection set up. As we know, email failure can result in lost business, upset customers, and have huge consequences on revenue. So to help protect against this, Gravity SMTP allows you to select a backup email provider. This backup connection will kick in if your primary email service fails, giving you peace of mind that your emails will still reach the inboxes they are destined for. So let's have a quick look at how to set that up. When you install Gravity SMTP, you'll find a setup wizard to help you get started. It's here you can connect to multiple email services, or if you're coming from WP Mail SMTP, you can use our migration tool to migrate settings across. Then within the integrations page, you can simply select a primary and backup service. Now if Brevo fails, Postmark will set in. We've also just launched a new alerts feature, so you can receive alerts via Slack or Twilio if email failure does occur, and we'll have a new video on that in the near future. That's it from me. If you're interested in getting started with Gravity SMTP, head on over to gravityforms.com/gravitysmtp to find out more. Thanks for watching.